Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gangle's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Near the top, let's draw a curve across. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath. Now let's move inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across the center, with it being a little bit lower on the right side. And then a long curve underneath and back up. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's hop on top and draw the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up on the left on an angle. And then a curve on top like this. Now top to the right and let's draw the other eye in the same way, but shorter and taller. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the head. Now before we draw the body, let's draw the circle icon. Let's start on the top left, a little bit lower from the top of the head, and let's draw a circular curve all the way around. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the body. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a wavy line across and down. Then underneath the curve, let's draw another curve down to the left. And then underneath this line, let's draw the same wavy curve over to the right. Now inside this section, let's draw a diagonal line near the top here. And then color this part in black. Now we're going to hop underneath the head and let's draw a curve down. And then continue it below by curving it down like this. Now let's do the same thing on the right, but let's stop a little bit higher than the bottom. Now let's draw a curve across to the right and bring it down at the end. Now let's add a few more shadows. Let's draw a diagonal line underneath the head and then color this part in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw another curve and color this section black as well. And that's it for Gangle's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!